and it's really nice out. Like yesterday, the sun is shining for many of us, and we've got temperatures that are warming up thanks to that. It's 43 now in Burlington, 42 degrees in Plattsburgh, 47 in Lebanon, already have some 50s for southern Vermont. And again, with some of that sunshine, we are well on our way to reaching close to 50 this afternoon. More clouds the further west that you are. From the summit of Whiteface, you're seeing some of those high, thin clouds, but barely a cloud in the sky over St. Jay. Got some of those thin clouds ahead of our next system. There's a warm front to the south of us that's pushing some of these in, and you can see them. They're those wispy cirrus clouds that are stretching across a lot of the area. Northeast Kingdom, again, seeing a little bit more sunshine than the rest of us, but there's still plenty of it, and that's going to help our temperatures climb. It's thanks to a high pressure system that's attempting to hold off this low that's off to the west of us, and it's doing a pretty good job, but it won't be by later tonight as this low pressure system continues to push here to the east and bring us the showers that are associated with it. Now, this is a front that stretches all the way down as you can see into Alabama and eventually Georgia. And in Georgia, they've got some severe thunderstorm watches and even some warnings in place. Strong cold front affecting them. For us, by the time this gets here, it's just the rain, but we do have the potential for a little bit of a mix as well, and I'll talk about that in just a second. Until that gets here, enjoy the day. Upper 40s and low 50s for the Champlain Valley, and even a little bit warmer for southern Vermont. They're going to top off a few more degrees warmer than they are now. Again, mostly sunny skies, as you've already noticed. Here are some of those high, thin clouds inching more and more closer, and overnight tonight, those really begin to fill out. Futurecast shows that heavy band of rain arriving for us right after midnight and becoming more widespread and heavy as you guys are waking up and heading out to work. So if you're headed out to work early around that 5-6 o'clock hour, likely encountering some pretty good showers. You're going to find maybe even some minor flooding in a couple of places. That snow is continuing to melt, plus all this rain on the way. You can also see some pinks and purples and even a little bit of snow showing up on Futurecast for areas east of the Green Mountains. And you're going to find the potential for some ice to accumulate in those places as well. Nothing widespread, but just know that that could mean a little bit of an issue on our roads as you're headed out to work tomorrow morning. Eastern areas are going to have a harder time warming up than the rest of us. But as you can see, into Tuesday noontime and into the evenings, showers become more scattered, but you might find some heavier pockets of that rain within that. So watch out for that. And very similar again on Wednesday morning. Anything left over is mostly rain in the valleys, but those eastern areas are going to remain a little bit cooler, so you might get a little bit of freezing rain or snow mixing in. Let's talk about rainfall amounts. It's a pretty good amount as you head into tomorrow morning and on and off throughout the rest of the afternoon. Half an inch, maybe up to an inch in some places of that rain is possible. But I do want to note, again, freezing rain is possible to be mixing in into the Northeast Kingdom, probably even a little bit of that in the Connecticut River Valley. And a few of those higher elevations might also get some damp, slushy snow. So watch out for that as well. That's all between overnight tonight and into Tuesday morning. Later, more scattered showers Tuesday afternoon and likely a break by Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures are still pretty mild. Then a nice, heavier, more widespread band of rain returns again on Friday. It's going to be another damp day. Friday and Saturday, showers become more scattered. Temperatures are in the low 50s, but do count on that unsettled weather sticking around Friday and into the start of the weekend.